All right, trading session. Number 1 of the week. I have a heart rate monitor above me. I swear this thing goes higher as soon as you start to monitor your heart rate. I swear it works like that. Alright, market open in 3 minutes or 2 minutes and a half. It's at the R1 at the moment. Oil, however, went up and held at the opening range high and went up again, and now is against my trading zone, my level that I drew before. Maybe a pullback to the VWAP and then up. This level we have to see, because when the VWAP or a more official line that other people see, or more official level, it tends to go towards that one and kind of ignore trading zones that are close to it. So since this is like 2.5 points, we have to see what it does. Also down here, this is also an interesting level. It could bounce off when it goes, it could bounce off immediately.
Activate trader state. Breathe in for 5 seconds. Hold your breath. Release for 3 seconds.
Oil is at an interesting level, huh?
Breathe in for 5 seconds. Hold your breath. Release for 3 seconds.
Alright, here we go. Market is selling off just before the open. Nasdaq a bit. Here we go. So the R1, let's see if it can be broken immediately, and then we have an interesting level to the upside. Let's see, Nasdaq. Nasdaq wants to go down, so it probably pulls down the others as well. Although at the moment, it's the only one that really goes down. It's not a strong sell-off though. It's also still holding on this level over here. Boop. Oh, you can't draw horizontal lines that are straight. Alright. So it pulled back a bit. Nasdaq is coming up as well. However, oil found some resistance. So we have the R1, but we also have the overnight high, which has to be broken before we're interested in a long. And that's all the way up here. It's interesting, right? Nasdaq started with a sell-off and is now grinding upwards. Alright, here's some movement to the downside. New opening range low. So it found some support from the people that went long here, that level. Back to the R1. Still looking for a long after the break. So now there are 3 levels to break. We have the view up. The R1, that's 4 actually. Openings range high and the overnight high. So this is the opening range high. Nasdaq slowly climbing, which is a good sign. Market seems to go up. But it seems like it can't even break through the opening range high. That was set 3 minutes ago. So that's interesting. It's holding on the R1 though now. There goes the Nasdaq. Okay, that's interesting. Let's see. So I now found support on the view up, or the R1, and are very close to each other. Seems like Nasdaq is finding some support on the opening overnight high, that is, which it just broke. It means it's an all-time high probably as well. Well, below the view up again, so we didn't break the openings range high. That's interesting though, right? It was set 3 minutes ago. We couldn't break it. Or set a new one rather. Yeah. I don't know. 2 ticks. It's not a lot though. Alright. Openings range low. Back to the open. Nasdaq is falling now. Oil is dropping down as well. Over here. Opening range high. Maybe find some support. Yes, found some support. Back to the viewer. It's a bit difficult to pick a trade over here because there are so many levels in the way that it has to either break, which is ideally we just want to have a break to the upside, right? But I'm not sure if that's gonna happen today. Alright, Nasdaq found some convincing support. Started to the upside for the new 5-minute candle. This could be an interesting trade to the upside, but too much selling. View up didn't hold again. That's not very convincing though. Back to the open. It just breaks through easily. Okay, there we go. Openings range low. So this could be an interesting level, but we're in the middle of nowhere. Not near any of my levels, it's just the opening range low, right? But it does seem to hold. Nasdaq wants to go up. It's the only market though that really goes up. It's the purple line, the Dow, the Russell, and the S&P tend to go down at the moment. Even further down. Oil pushing it up slightly higher. But we are below the view at now, so that's some heavy resistance. Quite a bit actually. So the market isn't collapsing yet. We're still expecting that, right? The world is in such bad shape at the moment. So many COVID-19 cases in America as well. New records every day for the past days. So yeah. So we're a bit toggling between the opening range low and the open. Nasdaq is really going for it now, by the way. It really wants to go up, right? The S&P doesn't really follow though. Nasdaq is on its own. So it means that the tech sector is doing well, but the regular stocks aren't. Okay, so this is one of my trading zones. So let's see if it rejects here. Okay, it did once. That's a good sign though. That's a really good sign. But somehow I still think we're gonna visit the VWAP. There we go, we break through this level. So there's lots of selling here. Still gonna go down. Ooh, is the level holding? Are you kidding me? Nasdaq still going up, huh? Let's see. So until now, we kind of have a sell-off so far. Nasdaq is people are taking profit, I guess. Okay, so it bounced off my level, which makes it apparently very strong, which I like. So when it pulls back, we could see another long out of it. Okay, so the VWAP got rejected hard there, very convincingly, and that's the second time. So that could be interesting for a short when it goes there again. At least when it takes a while, not when it immediately touches it again. Nasdaq going up again. That's interesting though. It is heading for the R2, which is resistance. Back to the US VWAP. Okay, is this gonna be the break that we're looking for? Okay, now this is interesting on the VWAP. 3250, 3250 for a long. Start with one contract, let's see what it does. Small pull.
Filled.
There we go, we got a fill. We move our stop. Come on, boy, let's go. Seems like it gets rejected, huh?
Filled.
Alright. So the VWAP got rejected there. I was kind of anticipating a break, because Nasdaq broke through it as well. Oh, no, they're still climbing, unbelievable. Is it breaking the view up? Kinda is, but not that convincingly. Now it is. 3200. 75, like here. Still want to get in though. For a long here. But now it's kind of reddish. Let's go here for a long. 2 contracts. Let's see what it does. Lots of buying over there at the top. Oh, I didn't get a fill. That's
Filled. Filled.
all I have. Immediately comes down.
Filled. Filled.
2 stops it. That's annoying though. Nasdaq is still hovering. It kind of breaks, but then it doesn't. It's very difficult to do. Let's see. Okay, we could set a limit here. Maybe a very tight stop. Like 196, 75. $70. So our stop is at the VWAP, so it's kind of protected. We just wait for it to come now. Let's see. So it comes to our level again. It bounced off previously. See what it does now. Quite a bit of buying over there. This thing is still climbing though. It's unbelievable.
Filled. Filled.
Okay, let's see if it bounces off this level now. So take profit. What take profit set? Ah, this should be 7, and this is 10. Okay. Still lots of selling there though. It would be nice if it goes in my favor for once. So to take profit there, another one. Slightly up.
Filled. Filled.
Oh my god, I'm so unlucky today. There's the view up. So I guess we're looking for a short in this case then. when it's below this VWAP. Kinda looks like it. It's not breaking it, and Nasdaq is really dropping now. So 95, 50. Remove this one. Yes, please pick up my orders and go down. That would be nice. Thank you. Yes, they should be a fill.
Filled.
There's 2 fills. I'm going to remove 1 profit target for it to run. Now I would like to see it come down. Nasdaq is going down. And my software is not working at all because it doesn't have an average price for some reason.
Filled.
Really? It's unbelievable. Holy crap, mate. Ugh. This is a very difficult market though now. What's with all the stops as well? Oh. So now it's at the opening range low. Back to the VWAP. It's really bouncing up and forth, right? That's the annoying part. So it's kind of going down from the VWAP. Let's see if it gets rejected. Okay, 195.50. Short. If it picks up that level.
Filled.
There's the short. Really? Am I gonna be stopped out again? Bounces off the VWAP.
Filled.
Oh, I have no clue. Dee-dee-dee-dee. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Hmm. I'm gonna be honest here, I'm a bit at a loss. We're just still waiting, communicating a bit in chat here to see the next best idea is. Probably waiting at the moment. Look, this looks so bullish. Is it gonna break the R1 though? That would be interesting to see, right? But then still, there's so many levels to the upside. Dee 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 dee. Why are my stops still registered here? That's not okay though. Because there aren't any stops whatsoever. Okay, back to the VWAP. This could be interesting though. If this level breaks, there's a hole to the downside, which it is right now. But really? Yes, there goes the Nasdaq. It found some support, 95.50 shorts.
Filled.
Oh, that's a market order, which I didn't intend to do. It went so quick though. If only this is holding right now. Give it some wiggling space. Okay, there it goes. I should protect these sticks probably, but still.
Filled.
So I got a winning trade there on one tick. Okay, that's my first, I guess. I really need to fix my thingy though. It's really broken. Okay, here comes the downside. 95.50 for a short. 95.50 for a short. This is a nice break though, but it has to pull back somehow or somewhat. I think I have to be more aggressive if I want to get into this. 33.50.
Filled.
All the way back to the pit. Ooh. I'm gonna remove my profit target. I'm gonna trail this one.
Filled.
Ah, that's too early, mate. That's too early. That's like bounced off my level here. The second wants to go down though. 93.50 again. Might not be close enough to the price though. Kind of rechecks there, but still.
Filled.
There's the fill to the downside. Let's move my stop. Give it some wiggling space. Ay, this doesn't feel right. Nasdaq seems to be holding, which is annoying. I can tell you trading is not easy, mate. Trading is not easy.
Filled.
Unbelievable. So I was anticipating for the move further down. Now Nasdaq is an interesting place. I have to admit, it's not that scary though to trade with real money. I thought it was worse. I'm down though quite a lot, but fortunately it's micros. Yeah, Nas wants to go up, but has to beat his VWAP. This could be a nice long though. 96 long. Let's try to get in on the VWAP, exactly at the VWAP. And one lower. And please don't go without me, I should say. Go back to my level, please. Hello. Could you please come down to my level? That's like below its VWAP. It's kind of holding at my training level, training zone as well. Now it goes without me. That's annoying. That's very annoying. It's because I guess I had the right ID here, but it just didn't come down enough. Could we revisit that? Yes, because Nasdaq is bullish at the moment. Or is it? It kinda is. Is it gonna hold on the VWAP? It probably is. It bounces off and then it goes straight up. So it means that people are very aggressive into going in there. So 96.50. Then I guess over here. Wait, let's restart this. Let's clean all orders. See what it does at the VWAP. So we went from one VWAP to the other, and that's kind of what I was anticipating. So I guess That was correct. It just didn't come down enough to fill me. Okay, this VWAP is interesting, right? Nasdaq is at this VWAP. It's now breaking it, more or less. So this looks nice, but what is Nasdaq? Nasdaq is not moving now. It's kind of hanging back. Oh, there goes Nasdaq.
Filled.
There's the fill. Let's see if it now breaks to the upside. No, I have no clue what my stop is. This is my live stop? I have no clue. What's not filling means it's probably this one then. That's so messy. Remove this. Yes. Thank you. Protect my ticks. Please go up now to the R1 and keep going, please. It's on the R1 now. I want to give it some space to wiggle so it doesn't stop me out immediately. Nasdaq wants to go up. Is it the R2? Even 5-minute candle. This could be hella interesting though. There you go. That's nice. So I guess it's fine support now. If only my system would work, huh? That would be nice for a change. Ooh, it's moving so aggressively, but I don't want to get out of the trade right now. I want to have it play out here. So much buying at the top, it really wants to go up, huh? My stop is just below the open, is it? Just above the open. Takes so long before it goes. Okay, Nasdaq. Yes, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. That works. That works, that works. I'm looking at my own system, but that doesn't tell me anything. Because it doesn't work. My heart rate is kinda high, but wiggle, wiggle. Okay, now there's the support from the R1, right? But the Nasdaq doesn't really want to go, which is annoying. Opening range high. Here you go, thank you. That looks promising. Okay, this should be able to break pretty easy. There we go. That's what I meant. Back to another level here. Overnight high. It's a bummer I'm only in with one contract, right? Okay, let this level play out a bit. Nasdaq is pulling back though. That's annoying. Protect some extra ticks. Come on, mate. Just break it. Ooh, Nasdaq is gonna ride is 9 EMA. I'm gonna give it a tick space to do so, which is now 9 EMA. Boom. So this should hold, otherwise we're gonna be hit. Stop. So Nasdaq is. Please hold it to 9 EMA, mate. This should break. Come on, man. There you go. Thank you. Come on, mate. Okay, now it has support from the overnight high instead of resistance, and that's what you want to see, right? That's what you want to see. Okay, so my stop is under the opening range high. Nasdaq doesn't look that promising though. Ooh, we're almost at a new level for today, including the overnight. Oh, don't go down. Nasdaq 9 EMA. Ooh, I'm gonna be stopped out, am I not? I guess not. Okay, hold to the upside, please.
Filled.
There's the fill. $450 for a long. Get in the trade again, right? For it to go up. If only I can get a fill, please.
Filled.
Thank you. And now I want you to see, I want you to move up. It's kind of the level where I was stopped out, so this is interesting that I re-enter. I enter because it was noted in chat. So maybe that's not a good qualifier, huh? Yeah, this is not great. I think I should really be aggressive with my break even here. There's so much space to the upside, man. It seems to be holding. Ooh. Oh, Nasdaq in the R2, huh? Damn it. I don't want to get out that close. I don't want to get out break even for this, that's not smart. Okay, this might be break even trade.
Filled.
I'm not too sure if I like that approach, to be honest. Okay, do we not get in again? 425 is an interesting level. Or 4 rather. 4 rather. Two contracts, and that's about it done for today. Let's see if it plays out. Unless I really wants to go down though. Okay, you're really close to my entry, mate. Can you please pick it up, at least? Yes, one more, one more. Yes, 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 yes. Come on, you were at my level.
Filled.
There's one fill. Wait, this is my actual stop now. Right on the opening range high. We're waiting for it to pop, right? Yeah, I'm not gonna break even yet. I'm really in a good position to get in though. Let's remove this limit. 5-minute candle. Come on, go up now. This is your chance. This is what I mean. Come on. Come on, mate. Only one contract though. Better than nothing, I guess. Where is it? There, hold it, mate. Hold it there. Nasdaq bounce off his VWAP, but still has resistance from the 9 EMA. Here are some ticks, give it some wriggling room. It feels like you want to go up, mate. Can you please also just do that then, instead of filling around at this level? Can you please go up, mate? Okay, 9 EMA is beaten by the Nasdaq, that's what you want to see. And now I want to see the R2 being beaten on the Nasdaq as well. Give it some wiggling room. Give it some wiggling room. Not too much though. It wants to go up. Nasdaq, here we go. Come on, mate. Oil's at the opening range high again. Oh my god, so many resistance. But so much buying in this candle, or in this area over here. So much buying. Back to the stop. Okay, so the longer the time goes by, more time goes by, the closer the 9 EMA gets to the current price for the Nasdaq, which is good, because it always tends to come back and then burst from its 9 EMA. I want to remain in the trade, don't kick me out. Oh, that R2, man, if it only goes, if it only goes. So close, there you go, we went through it, yes again. This is looking promising, but just make it work, mate. Make it work. It's not really going, is it? It's not really going. Okay, 9 EMA gets a bit closer to it. Give it some wiggling space, not too much though. There are some longs over there. And there isn't that much selling. There's some selling, but not a lot. Can we please make this work? Let's go. Go up. Go up. There we go. There we go. That's what you want to see. Okay, 90 May is catching up to the Nasdaq, which is now hitting, and then if it doesn't fall through, it should have some support now, right now, please. Let's go, mate. Go up now. Okay, this is not looking great. Secure an extra tick. I'm so confused though. I'm not sure when I want to go in after this if I get kicked out. Yes, Nasdaq, come on, you're so close to puffing to the upside, mate. You're so close. The 90 may worked. New 5-minute candle. Yes, to the upside a bit, but not much. Please go up, mate. Why is it not beating the R2? I'm so confused. Look, it's like it wants to go, but it doesn't. Markets want to go up, but apparently not really. I don't think my heart rate's too bad though. 104, 106. Yeah, this is not looking great. If it doesn't hold this level, then we're gonna be stopped out with a window. 2.25 makes this -6 on the day. Ooh.
Filled.
-625. Yeah. So now it went up again. But Nasdaq is not looking great though. So this is the middle of nowhere. Alright, I got stopped out at the exact tick, right? Ah, that's so annoying. So now it goes. And I was in a trade, but got stopped out because of this tick, which is very annoying. So the way to get in right now is wait for a move to happen, and then try to get in on the response of that, see what happens. This could go either way though, but it looks promising for the Nasdaq though. So this could be interesting. 32.08 if it picks it up immediately. Otherwise we flatten the order. Yes, okay. So much buying again. Yeah. Ah, it's so annoying that we got stuff out there, right? Is Nasdaq going to an it's a new high again? Jeez. It's amazing though. So I'm placing my order just above this area because it wants to have support there. So it's kind of a pullback and then we go for long. Try to get you moved to the next trading level, which looks promising, but I don't expect it to break through here, to be honest. There's so much volume there. It's just, does it pull back enough? That's the question though. Can't believe you got stopped out there on the exact tick. So this is not gonna pull back any second. So next trading level. Okay, this is the reversal hour, new 5-minute candle. Let's see if we break this level. Nasdaq has no resistance at all for a while. ER3 is all the way up here. This is just new highs. Let's see. Can't believe we were in from here. So annoying. Moving the stop so close. I don't know, man. It's you have to find a balance between them, right? You have to find a real balance. So it's at my trading level right now. And you can see in the volume is hardly visible, but this is kind of a new area. So this could be an entry for it to pull back, but it's gonna have some resistance there. Nasdaq is riding, it's gonna ride its 90 EMA all day. It's gotta do that. GDDD. Okay, now this is interesting. Now they're going down. Okay, so that's resisted to the tick right now. Let's see what it does here. Look at the 10 tick though. Holy crap. So much volume going up there, so much strength. Let's see. This is interesting, right? So my level gets resisted at the moment that I drew to the tick. Now it's going back to R2, but it doesn't look that convincing for now. Hello, can you please break? Look at how much. This is interesting though, right? So much buying volume at the top, and like the biggest candles with the most buying volume. So let's see if that actually means break to the top. It's kind of hanging, yeah? Between the level. Okay, here goes. Here goes again to the tick. Again to the tick. Do you want to break? Do you want to break? Say yes, please. Say yes, please. And Q goes down. So is this cheap area to go in for the long? I'm not too sure though. Lots of selling on the footprint. Gets it rejected here though. Nasdaq is not really going down. It's not really going up. It's just sitting there. It now gets pushed up. So there's a lot of selling here, which means that people shorted it or wanted to go down. Yeah. If only it will break this level, huh? This is what I wanted to do. So this could be. Yeah, this is not gonna break any time now. Oh, my level to the tick, mate. Okay, so now it kind of fell down, so this could be an interesting short at the moment. R2 Nasdaq. So 3209 will be a nice entering. But then R2, mate, it just had problems moving up and now falling through it like a fucking maniac. 085 is interesting for sure, maybe. Okay, so it's now at the same level that we were getting in before. So this could be an interesting entry, right? So we have an entry on 5, US VWAP. I think this is interesting though, for you to 550, maybe 525 for it to pull back. Let's do more at 5, let's see if it goes back that much down. Am I too early with this order? Okay, so I rejected there kind of heavily. So this could There, the pom pom. Remove those orders. 06 long could be interesting, but Nasdaq has resistance there. Maybe 05 isn't that bad of an idea. Oh, 06. Let's put it over here. Let's see if it picks it up. And one over here. So if you want to get in, it has to be 206. 206.25. Let's see if it pulls back to that. That's like bounce off its view up. Just bounce off immediately, huh? Right. So this is an entry level. And then this as well. Just above this area over here, where it has some support to the upside. So do we get a fill here right now? Our stop is kind of protected by this area, loss of volume. So pull down 1 tick please, and maybe 2 ticks even. Yes, 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 yes. Come on mate, that was my entry level. To the tick. Oh, why do you go without me, mate? There's still so much space to take along here, man. Do we need to be more aggressive now? Just to get into the long. Nasdaq is looking really nice. Give me the fill, mate. Give me the bill, don't go out without me. Just give me the bill, please. It looks so promising to the upside. Come on, that's fucking twice now. That's fucking twice now. That's fucking twice now. Let's go. I can't believe I missed it twice now. Oh, this could be flipped though. Nasdaq is way too far away from its 90 MA. I was like 2 minutes to go. Okay, this still looks interesting for a long 08. Not sure. So now pulls back. Okay, this could be interesting. 7 of 750. Yes, hello.
Filled.
Okay, that's what I want.
Filled.
Okay, thank you. Now, please go up, I shall say. No, that's not the direction I want you to go, mate. Then this is not a good decision, right? The level play out, maybe? Let's go again to the upside. It forms some structure there, which is nice. Move my stuff a bit higher though. Lots of selling here. Group it.
Filled.
Ugh, that's one contract. Let this play out. To the upside.
Filled.
That's annoying. Alright, let's go to the 10 tick. Let's see what we're seeing here. So we had this level. So we could have waited for a long there, right? So that's an 05. So we're in a bit high, probably. Although it's now wants to go in that side, but is that coming down? So this could be interesting, but we made a new higher low. But this is a lower high, I mean, and this is a new. Okay, back to my trading zone. Open overnight high. Let's see. But this could just fall through like a maniac. So much selling. There's no resistance at all. No buying whatsoever. So it just falls straight through. Some buying here. So now they're buying. People coming in. R2 on the Nasdaq being respected, but too much buying for now, I think. Selling, I mean, so it's not enough buying power. That's what I wanted to say. Let's enter this one. Okay, so this is looking interesting, right? It goes up. But Nasdaq not really strong though. 5 minutes and 2.5 minutes. Okay, so this is now interesting. It showed me that it wants to go up here. So we could be 05, 04. Used two lots. Let's see what it does. It rejected it over here, so placing it halfway would be 05-ish. So let's see if it pulls back actually. Maybe a bit higher for it to go. Nasdaq resistance. The 90 EMA is ridiculous on the Nasdaq. Okay, so I kind of missed this trade now. It bounced off straight. Let's see. Although it could still be interesting, right? 05, just below it maybe? 0550. So let's see, we're kind of in the middle of nowhere, so you're waiting for the pullback. It could be over here. So that's 650. 650. And I want you to move up, mate. Am I too late with this again? Is it gonna do the same as it did before? Should I enter here? Because now you can... So much selling here. Well, should I trust my levels more? This isn't... Look, when you actually look at it, this level was rejected to the tick. This was just slightly above it, and now it went up again. Now it gets rejected again. And yes, the Nasdaq wants to go up there, but you can't buy him now. You have to wait for it to break. Come on, let's go. Come on, there's so much buying at the top here. That's so odd though. Why doesn't it want to go on? Ah, now it's in no man's land. So, do we get a rejection here? It seems like it. So that's probably the reason why Nasdaq can't go up. You're at my level, and there's so much to do above it to gain. So you could say get in cheap and buy here, right? And hope for the best. Maybe we should just do that because Nasdaq wants to go up. So yeah, we're a bit late now, but 32.10 could be nice. And gonna take a lot.
Filled.
So we're in cheap. That's the idea, right? But the question is, will this level hold? Because this is not looking great now.
Filled.
Ugh. The moment I do it, I get stopped out. That's ridiculous, though.
Filled.
That's ridiculous. I'm gonna watch for now a bit. So yeah, the most annoying trade was this one. I was in there, and I got stopped out on one tick, and then it went up. So yeah, maybe you should just be happy that you're in the trade and let it play out. Okay, so here comes a break of this level, and this is what you want to see, right? So 1150 long, 1150 long.
Filled.
Oh, there's 2 contracts in. Take one out for a winner. Okay, this is the break I was hoping for, but does it hold? Is the question. Nasdaq's looking good. If this doesn't hold, I guess we're done for today. So protect the trade now, I guess. Please don't. Wait, I need to give it some wiggling room. Quite a bit of selling there. Is that going up? Anticipating a break here. Higher. Nasdaq new highs, which is nice. I should probably protect these. I don't like being stopped out when I just got in a trade and it looks so promising, right? So, yeah. But then again, you don't want to turn this into a loss. It's difficult. This is one of the most difficult parts of trading. We're gonna put you over here for the time being, because True Love Runner will be very, very, very nice.
Filled.
That's one fill. Ooh, that was to the tick, mate. That was to the tick. Got stopped out on one. I can't believe this. And he got stopped out on one contract. And then he goes, huh? Why isn't this with 2? Oh my god, it's so annoying. Okay, seller's taking over here. Okay, we're gonna reach 218. Most likely, as they're going up. Ooh, look at the Nasdaq. And the oil, holy crap, oil's 162, huh? Oil's happy today. Okay, so this is the new high, I think. We haven't seen the level, so we're pushing it up now. So 13.5 could be still a pullback. It has some troubles going up here. Jeez, I had 2 contracts running this, huh? It's been unlucky though. Let's see. Let it pull back a bit. Give it some space. Nasdaq fizzing it. It's 9 EMA. I want to pull it back a bit. Give it some space. You want to go up, mate. I can see it in your eyes. So many offers on oil at the top there. That looks promising. Okay, so this looks less appealing now because Nasdaq wants to go up still. There goes oil. Oil has some space to go. Lots of buying there. Market wants to go up. It's unbelievable though. Okay, now we can move up this. Stop a bit. There we go, there we go, there we go. That's going up. Oil goes up as well. Oil is gonna visit 475, isn't it? Previous day high. People are selling there like en masse. I'm not sure why though. Next level is 18. Looks very good. Let's write it. Let's write it. Let's write it. 17. Okay, let's see what it does at 18 though. I like the Nasdaq. Nasdaq showing the way, huh? Gold is up as well though. That's a bit confusing. Okay, should we protect it? I want to stay in here. Give it some wiggling room. Nasdaq looks nice. So this is probably the next area then that I can push my stop to. Let's see what it does. Okay, so it's at my trading level here, and oil is pushing. That's nice. Is it gonna burst through this trading level? That would be interesting though to see. Move my stop up a bit. Okay, so now it's stalling at this level. Now I'm gonna protect some of my profit, right? Jesus, could have been 2 contracts, huh? Stopped out on a tick. Okay, so the Nasdaq has quite some space to the 9 EMA, which could mean that it's gonna retrace back to it, because that is what it tends to do after a rally up. So you have to trust. Look, it's only at my level. This is the more annoying stuff, but it still looks interesting to the R2. If it breaks this, which is looks like it does. I need to bring up my stop a bit. Still, Nasdaq is quite a lot of space away from its 9 EMA. Quite a lot of text. It's not holding. Set and retrace. Let's see. Wait, I need to give it some space. It's above my trading zone though, which is nice. TDDD. R2 next target, huh? I don't like this at all. I don't like this at all. Please hold here. The Nasdaq wants to go down. GTDD. Oh, this level is so to the point. Holy crap. So much buying here though, which is good. Nasdaq still doesn't look that bad. Oh, if Nasdaq starts to come down, it can go fast though. What's my heart rate like? It's not bad. It's not. The moment I think about it, it probably goes higher. Well, not really. It's kind of steady for now. Okay, this is, I don't know. Yeah. Okay, Nasdaq is coming down to its 9 EMA and then it's gonna burst, right? So I need to give some space to that event. Just want to make sure I don't get pushed out just because of that. So it's grinding towards 9 EMA. Well, how much time? 5. Don't stop me out here, please. 9 EMA, Nasdaq, come on. Hold. One more tick down. That's it. Hold. This is your 9 EMA. This is your pullback. Everybody who wants to get in can get in right now. Yes. Okay, we go up again. Can't believe that actually worked. Oh crap, that's ridiculous. Come on, let's go, mate. Let's go up. Okay, break your own high, mate. Break your own high. There you go, there you go. I know you want to. I know you want to. Okay, Nasdaq could be running its 9 EMA again right now. Started a new candle though. It's slightly bearish, but the ES looks so promising. It wants to go up. It wants to go up to the R2. Pretty sure it wants to. Okay, this is not looking good though. I'm gonna increase my stop here. Because the NQ, if it, okay, it bounces off again. That's nice though. It takes too long though, it takes too long. Okay, this is looking nice. 90 EMA is slightly upwards. It should, why is there not any buying at the moment? I don't get it. Okay, I'm gonna be regretted if I don't give this more space. Ooh, there goes Nasdaq.
Filled.
We stopped out. Okay, we can still get in though. If it breaks this level. Let's see. So there's kind of a rejection at the moment for this level. Slowly going down. It's grinding its way to the downside. Well, the Nasdaq wants to go up again. But it also looks kind of flipped to me, but this could just be a nice pullback. see if we can get a next new level. Da la la, this doesn't. Always going down slightly. Let's see. Such a long trading session as well, right? Nasdaq is gonna ride his 9 EMA, doesn't it? It does look like it, but the overall structure is really going down. We're making newer and lower lows. Lower low. Lower highs. So this is annoying, right? We could have had 2 contracts here. We got stopped out on one. And the other trade back here. That was a really good one as well. But what happened there? Oh yeah, we got stopped out. Then it went, I believe that was. Pardon. Yeah, I think doesn't really feel like it at the moment. Yeah. Now we just wait, huh? So another lower low, I think, or maybe to the tick, the exact same value. Nasdaq could just be having a bull flag here, which means that around this area it should burst. And I'm not sure if it's gonna be the upside or the downside, but Let's see, huh? The 5 minute. Is this your level, mate? It does the same. On the ES though, it's really going down so far. Oil is going down as well. That doesn't look promising. Let's see. I need to fix my program. I'm glad I have logs, but I can't really test it because it works in demo. So I need to go over it through logs and then find out what's going on. Why it doesn't have an average price and why my stops are not being deleted. Because they should, because they're not there. The profit targets don't show up as well. So yeah, it looks kind of bearish, but at the same time it's also holding. So Nasdaq looks interesting though. Kind of goes now. This is kind of the break. Yeah. Gee. Okay, this could be interesting though. So here's the bull flag that I mentioned. It's now being broken on the Nasdaq. Has some 90 MA support, so this could mean a break here. But yeah, it has to really convincingly break before we do anything here. Should at least form a new 10-tick candle before we go up further than this. What's the net target? R2. Okay, this looks nice though. Lots of buying. Nasdaq slowly grinding upwards again, which is what you want to see. There was a break of 18, but just slightly. It's a lot of waiting, huh? You just wait and wait and wait. Let's see, 18. Let's see. What are we going at? What are we doing, mate? What are we doing? Let's see if I can show some values on my heat map before we change. That would be nice, huh? Let's see. This is 112. Nope, that's not the value. Oh wait, I think I know why this doesn't work. Because does it read value? I'm not sure. Not sure though. Doesn't show any extensive bits. It should show something though. Let's try again. Gray unit 60. Give me at least some values, mate. Ooh, there's an attack. This is not looking great. Why it doesn't show anything, literally. It's so weird. I'm just gonna keep it. I think it has to do because I'm trading micros. Not sure if that's the case though, but current growth symbol. Yes. That made a difference. Okay, no, not the chart settings, studies. Right, this is what you want to see, huh? 260. Okay, this is something we can work with. Okay, that's much better. So 320. Oh, there's so many levels there. So I guess then the break of 320 will be. Okay, this looks promising. Hello. 18.5 long, but you have the resistance at 20. It's kind of stiff, but we should maybe. Nasdaq is not making a higher high. It's not breaking its previous price level. Although it did eat up this whole candle, which looks really strong to the upside. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Nasdaq doesn't look promising. I think he has made a new high. Oh, damn. I need some qualifiers, mate. Ooh, lots of bits and 18. That's nice though. So we could go in on 1825. Maybe at 18 as well. And then I guess we have some tight stops there for Nasdaq to break. Has to go to my level first though. Come on, one tick. One tick, mate. No, not this again. Come on. Oh, you got to be kidding me, mate. Bits moving up. 18.5. That's where I am at now. I've been missing out on this information though. I'm a bit high with my order.
Filled.
Okay, please hold and go up again. Make my day, mate. Make my day. Look at all the bits. Please hold and go up again. Removing one profit target, we keep one. I don't want to be stopped out break even again. Just gonna treat it like a trading stop. Use some support there. Should I take these sticks or not? I'm not too sure.
News event in 5 minutes.
Oh, there's news? Oh, that's gonna be interesting then. Let's just put my stops down. Oh, the guy's gonna speak? Okay, that's not. There's not a fixed news number. From the Bank of England? Yeah. Please go up this time for me. Like you're a real man. Show me you're good. You wanna go up, I know that. 22. Woo. 22 is your level to go, mate. 21-ish. Looking promising. Don't stop me on that. Please focus to the upside. Yes, thank you. It looks promising. Thank you. Please go up, mate. So much selling though in the footprint. 22 is next level up, but I like the R2 there. I like the R2. Give it some space to wiggle. Oh, stop it slightly. There he goes. 22, so many offers, but that's all. Oh, above the R2. Oh, if only 22 gets busted, mate. Don't look so promising. Holy crap. Thank you. Running into 90 MA, looking good. Pulling back a bit. Don't pull.
Filled.
No, 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 not this again. I want to stay in a trade with one contract at least. Ah, not this again, mate. Is my stop too tight then? It's so annoying to be in 2 contracts and then it gets reduced to 1 and then it goes. That's the 3rd time today though. But my stops are really tight though as well. I don't let them play out a lot. It's always the beginning that's the most difficult, right? Look, I get stopped out to the tick, mate. That's ridiculous. I don't like this a lot. Lots of office bits moving up a bit, but not a lot. Okay. Nice. 22, please. Bus 22. Bits are moving in slightly, which is a good sign, but ooh, Nasdaq riding, it's 90 MA. I like that. I like that. I like that. Please play out, man. Go, mate. Just go already. Nasdaq looks so good. Holy crap. Yes. That looks good. Keep going now. Okay, R2 is the next target. Holy crap, it is. Let's go, mate. It's annoying. I can't see how many ticks I secured now, right? It's so annoying. So it's at 22. It's all those offers are just vanished. But is it pushing through? That's the question, though. Lots of buying here. Thank you.
News event in 30 seconds.
Ooh. Okay, the guy's gonna speak. But yeah, there are no numbers released. New 5-minute candle. Ooh. Stay in the trade for
Filled.
now. Oh my god, please. It's so annoying. And then it goes, right? That's the fucking 4th time. That's the 4th time. Okay, that's EU close. And there's news now on the EU close. It's probably not a coincidence, huh? Let me open the elite room. Let me switch to this one. We're not done yet, but I'm gonna open the meeting room. Let's go. Open up. Let's see what it does. Hello. Hey. So I had a long there from 18. No, I hope so. 18. No, but the thing is, I trail the thing, right? And then it kicks me out like in the exact tick, and then it goes. But it's so annoying because I had so much space already, right? I gave it like 6-7 ticks, and then. Yeah, 17, right? Yeah, I was in long 18. There are bits at 19 for me, but that's two. Yeah, that's like 2 ticks profit. Okay, okay, thank you. Yeah, but as in clockwise time? It was like 11:20. Oh, I can use the pointer, right? Or the chart values to see it exactly. 11:24 local time, I guess. Well, it pulled back to it and then it went, yeah. Well, it went up and then I placed my order at 18 and 18:25 it got filled and then it went above and I placed a stop at break even. I was dragging and it was 2 ticks above and then it kicked me out of one contract and then it went up and I was like, no, that's the second time. Yeah, 1 or 2 ticks above. Yeah. Wait, yeah, I don't show my trades on the footprint, only on the 5 stack. I can just show the my own screen, right? Okay, I have to scroll quite a bit then. Oh, I can show now, but I'm not sure who's in the room. Is it what did I say? 11:21? Is that what I said? Yeah, it's not showing. Ctrl Shift O. Oh, there it is. Right. Yeah, so I go long. No, I got out here. So I moved my stop. This is because I had a session with Chris, and he was like, "You have to secure those ticks, man." And I was like, "Okay, okay." So I did that, and I had them here and here. Yeah, but you have to give it some space to wiggle, right? I mean, so okay, it was here, right? But well, over here, and that's 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4 or 5. It's not much, but it's like I had 10, but I removed 1 for the breakout, right? Because when it goes fast, you don't want to have like, oh shit, I could have had that. So I removed 1, and then I removed the second, which is probably not what I should have done. Yeah, I had a problem because my office didn't show because I had it on micro and it used the micro levels instead of so this is like the first time I only have it. It's like 20 minutes, so that's annoying. Right. Yeah. Hmm? I did 1-1. I did 1-1. I'm a quick learner, right? You have to tell me once and then it's like, okay, I got it. Yes. Maybe that's because I started when COVID-19 hit and I was trying to trade the Nasdaq. Yeah, but that's what I'm trying. I try to secure the small profits now, but that's also yeah. Hmm. Yeah, but I have no clue what the qualifiers are yet because I swear it has to do with the footprint. I can see it. Well, my level was so interesting, right? I'm down 3.25 on the day right now, and I was 12, and I had some really good trades in between, so I'm actually really happy. Yeah, but for some reason I've been through this a lot, being down and then going up, especially when you try the Nasdaq. You kind of, as long as you stick to the process, right? But yeah, I've tried a lot. I tried. I really wanted to get into. At first, I had to get used to the fill, right? That it feels better than in demo. It's a bit quicker, so you have to get used to that as well. And my yeah, but that happens in demo as well. When you get a fill, it's delayed in demo for some reason. So today is not a day to short, right? So far. You said it was paused at 15, Chris, in the chat. Why? Chris, can you explain this level here? It was 15. Oh yeah, I can't see it. Oh, what the hell? Yes, okay, but you said 15. It's gonna pause at 15 before it went over 15. Yes. Yeah, but there was nothing here. Look, this was my level. I got in here and then it paused. And I was like, why does it pause? Because this is my next level. Ah, okay, that's okay. Right. So that's what I missed now. Look at this sucker. I added this one as well. But what are your levels? Because this is, I think 100 is not super relaxed, right? But it has been like one. Yeah, okay. Oh, really? That's amazing, though. Well, mine is 78 at the moment. Yeah, I know. I'm aware of that. I'm working on it. Look in 6 months. No, but I'm not unhealthy or something. It's just leftovers from a burnout. So that's why it's a bit odd at the moment. But it's remained very stable also in trade, so it's not that like whoa 120, 140 or it's not. Yeah, I don't know. I'm aware it's a bit high, but the well, I had a successful day, even I'm down quite or a small bit. I'm so happy that's not scary. I've worked to it for 6 months, right? I mean, no, not at all. It's almost the same as relaxed as in demo. But the balance on AMP, is that updated in real time, or does it take a while? Your account balance, yeah. Also with the commissions? Okay. Yes, okay. Yes, that's what I read on a forum, Sierra forum. Okay, so commissions get kicked off as well then. Yep. My software didn't work in live for some reason. It didn't get an average price. I was up like 3,000 points. The average price was 0. My sis was, "Whoa, you're doing great." Well, this is something I made myself because I had shitty software before, and it just shows your position, short, long, your price, how many lots you're in, and then it shows your ticks, right? And my target is 10, so this whole thing goes green when it's 1 to 1, or even greener if it's 1 to 2 profit. And then it shows you how much you are up and still how many percent of that you have left at the moment. So for example, it was at 2000, now it's 1800. So it shows like you still have like 90% left of your position, something like that. And then the stops show when you put them on, like when I put them on the over here. It doesn't pick it up right now live, but it shows your stop and your profit targets, and I can move them with my keyboard, and it just shows them over here. I want to add. That's one of the questions I had, because yeah, it talks directly to sharer, but I have to restart. Let me. Sometimes it's not like perfect yet, but sometimes it loses connection somehow. I'm not sure why it does that, but it should kick in. The prices are connected directly to Sierra. Right, this is exactly what happens in Sierra right now. It's just the data feed of the market. So these are the minis, the micros and the minis. You can open it next to that. So this is the minis. And then it's kind of cool that you can see that the prices aren't the same. There's like a small difference sometimes. Small delay in it. It's kind of precise right now. But sometimes it's like a tick off. So are you looking for a short now? Or no? Hello. That's like looks bad though for a long. So one of the things I was struggling with, right? When you place a market order on the DOM in Sierra, it also opens you up to your bracket, right? Your profit target and your stop loss. Then if you do a sell order after you did the buy order, no, it was just testing from a technical view, right? Yeah, so you have then you have 4 orders waiting, right? You have 2 brackets left. And that's like yeah, but why isn't it smart enough? Like it would be ideal when you go long 4 lots that you then take off one and then all the orders compensate. So yeah. So is it possible to go in with even with a limit order or a market order? You have like 4 lots, and then you can just press cover one, for example. Like this is one. This is a good place to cover. You cover one, and then it fixes all the other orders. Yeah. So you drag your orders to get out. But there's not a button for it, right? Like cover one, boom, done. Okay, so when you place one, like when you place this order, this is one group, right? Those 3. So when you place another one, it is a second group. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yeah, well, I'm thinking about creating it in my own system then. Because it sounds so much easier when you just, oh, but scaling is that market orders then? Is this a short at the moment? What makes it risky then? Because of the buying here? Well, the Nasdaq has like resistance from its 9 EMA. It pulled back after it went down. So I'm probably you guys don't add any value to when I use the word 9 EMA. I'm not sure if you guys do, but right, but okay. But look at the like this is what happens with the Nasdaq a lot. It makes its move and then it visits its 9 EMA and then it's like if it wants to go, there's like a decision point here. Right, right. Because it does here, and then it pulls back, and then... Yeah, it's not always. That makes it difficult. Yeah. I'm so disappointed that it didn't hit the R2. There were so many offers there. I think the most ridiculous part is that the world is like in such a bad shape and the Nasdaq is making new highs. That's so odd. See ya. See you, man. Cheers. No, it looks really bad on the Nasdaq. Yeah, so you can easily predict that Nasdaq is gonna hit this VWAP, right? At the moment, at least when I look at this. Yeah, and then if it doesn't hold, then it just next VWAP. Really? Oh my god. So the governor of the Bank of England is speeching right now. Does that do anything? But it says high volatility expected. Well, I picked England, right? And Germany and US, of course, and like the Euro thingies to influence because yeah, so it's more so the things in England are not doing that much then for their futures. Okay. But do you have news from China that you're looking at for? Well, right. Just in time, huh? Yeah, 5 minutes. New 5 minute, guys. US new and kaboom. So does China release like numbers like the US does and fixed moments? Right. So does it influence like the futures within a second like it does in the US? Okay, so I need to include the China numbers. Yeah, I'm aware of that. Let's see what China has to offer now. Oh, wait. Oh, tomorrow. Oh, it's in the middle of the night, right? Okay. But it doesn't influence our regular trading time, so. Alright. Guess what? So if 18 breaks right now, is it still a good long since there's so much over here, right? No, not at the moment, but if it breaks, right, and pulls back, is this of any influence to that? You think? Like all those levels, right? Then here and here and here. Yeah. Okay. No, it's really clear. So when does it pick up? In about like 2 hours or so? Usually, like statistically wise. Alright. So what would you say, Vic, then? Would it like have to touch 20 before a pullback trade will be interesting? Or is 19 good enough, right? Really? Oh, right. So I will get like into the mood for a long right now, but maybe that's because I'm trigger happy still. Right, that's what I'm asking, right? But there are so many bits now. Look at that. Oh, is that the thing? Right. Right. So why did you get long again then? Yeah, but why? Just cause? Right. Oh. Mhm. So when do you switch to the aggressive mode? Because I had some successful trades that when it really goes, it just holds like slightly at this level, like boom, immediately. You have to get in immediately to just catch it. But that's like during market open. That happened a couple of times. But this is Mm-hmm. It's riding its 90, am I? Yeah, it usually works better when it's right on a steep angle. Then it's perspective better than when it's so flat. I've seen everything once, and that's the first thing I did when I joined the academy. Yeah, a month. No, no, I didn't join 6 months ago. I joined the academy like a month ago, I guess. Yeah, I've been doing. I joined another company first to demo trade a lot. Yeah, yeah, and those I've been practicing a lot with demo trading, but I only had time candles charts, so that's why I made my own system because it was so shitty. You couldn't even enter by pressing a button. You had to do everything with short keys. That was getting annoying. Yeah, this short keys is nice and stuff, but you couldn't even see your stop order on the chart, and that's such basic stuff, right? Yeah, I have one in my own system. Hmm. Yeah, I have one over here in the bottom left. I could Alt A and then it flattens. I want to have Alt D to cover one contract though, and Alt E to clean up all the orders that are not in play yet. Vic, I need to show you this before you go. There's like in the futures course, he's talking about trading tickets, right, George? Is that coming back in the course or not? Like in the start trading, is that something we gonna use? Okay, so what I made so far is that you have to check some boxes right before you go in the trade. So you choose which type of trade, and then you click pullback, for example, and then you can choose some qualifiers. So you choose long or short, and did the zone qualify or not. And then I have some qualifiers made: trend, bullish, bearish, and then an image. And you can choose which type of correlation it is, like the market leader is going up. And then here, footprint, you have some buy imbalances. I hope my images are correct. Some sell imbalances. I've been scrolling through them before I found them. So you pick that one, and then you have inventory heat map. This is large buying intent. Bids moving higher. Okay, and then at the bottom I had volume and stuck longs and stuck shorts, but I couldn't find a picture of that. So then when you're in a trade, you can scratch to qualify by clicking this button. And the idea is that it automatically fills fills in the time when you get a fill, right? So it connects them to the exact tick, and then you can write something and save it or remove it. So, what do you mean? So when you click this button, you scratch too, that the color changes somewhere. Maybe the background could be green or red. But do you have time to fill in such a trading ticket? Yeah, that's the thing, right? And this is already easy to use. Right. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, but I'm also aware that I don't have the complete picture in my head yet because there's still information coming. That's gonna help me a lot in the course, right? So. Well, the first one was a view app trade, which I think I got stopped out. Yes, because the view app. Let's see, it was it was further back. It was not over there. Yeah, I'm aware of that. But yeah, by doing this, I learned that I have to wait the hard way, right? I lost some money there, and that's the way I learn, right? I just do it, and then I see the result, and then I make a decision: should I keep this behavior or should I ditch it? That's kind of how I learn personally. Mm. Well, I could feel some remorse there, like because she says, "So be careful, be careful." And I was like, "But I'm just starting out. I'm just." Mm-hmm. Yeah, but tomorrow will be different again, right? Yeah, but you don't have to. You could just, God damn it, okay, not this again. You cannot. No, but that's the question, right? You cannot because for me, okay, for me, the only if it really wanted it, that this will be an area to go along, and this is resistance for me, so it has to break, and this is in the middle of nowhere at the moment. Yeah, as well, right? But also the trading zone, the level already. Mm-hmm. Wait, zoom out, is that what you like so? Yeah, I don't think that's really my cup of tea. That's the thing, right? I don't wanna. There's something inside me. I don't wanna spend 5 hours per day looking at charts. It's like 2 to 3 hours. That works, right? Yeah, but for now it's grinding. This is not, for me, this is not tradable at all. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Oh, he's still there. No, tonight. That's the right way to say it. Oh my god. I have one question though. Is there maybe a possibility that we could, um, it's 12 weeks, right? Can we maybe move week 7, like make it start a week later? Maybe do a poll on that. Um, like move it like the whole program a week. Not that I need it, but maybe because, for example, the 10 tick pullback that we discussed, right? Um, I I haven't used it that much, but there's like maybe some kind of moment in the course that you feel like, and now I wanna just make it my own a bit, and an extra week could help there. But maybe I'm just the only one thinking that. That could be the case. But I saw somebody else in the Discord as well mentioning that it was so much material for him. So yeah. All right, so that's kind of the thing at the moment, that I feel like the things I learn I also want to use, right? And when you have to learn a new thing on top of that and you haven't used it enough, then it's like, hmm. Then you have to choose in your head what I'm gonna use, and yeah. Yeah, but please do a poll before making any decision because I don't want to force anyone into delaying a program. Cheers. You know what's annoying for the day? If I wasn't like stopped out on one contract in 2 trades while at the runner, I would have been up quite a bit. I had the correct thinking, right? Yeah, I'm aware of that, but like I explained, when 4 people tell me and suggest maybe you should go live, yeah, you did. But that's what I listen to, right? Those are the signals in live that matter the most. Mm. Yeah, I think that's the main lesson from today. Mm. Well, this is the thing, right? You see it wants to go, but then we talked about it has to go to the 22s first before pullback. And then what will be an interesting then all the way pullback to 18 because yeah, it has to go through this as well. So let's say it reaches like 20, right? Is it then, is your entry then like 18 quarter, or is it like halfway this burst up? So 19 then? Okay, yeah, but say it goes 20, then it's 90-ish. Yeah, right. That happened today, I think. Somehow. Oh, there's so many offers there. So yeah, but what does the price move now? Those are the stocks below the futures, right? This is not futures trading that moves the price now. What is it? That's trading the futures. Does that move the price right now, or are these the stocks mainly? Mm. Well, uh, I'm so tempted to look into options after there's some income from this, right? There was something I noticed on the futures, and I was like, why can't I buy this right now? Because I have no clue where to buy what, but I think it's possible with options. Yeah, I tried it in the Giro. I'm not sure if you know that one. Let's that was interesting, right? Let's say, okay, so this crashed, right? Look, this is Corona time over here, kicking in, and it's so predictable where it's gonna stop. Yes, for me it was. I was looking at this and I was like, what the hell? Really? But it looks so obvious. Damn it, my chart. This doesn't go back further, right? Wait. Where? Ah, now's it different. This is like the correction to yeah, I turned it off because I couldn't see the chart. I can't do that, you have to pay for that, I think. I don't. Yeah, it's only for 7 days, I think. Yeah, but I don't wanna. I don't use it that much. No, but I don't use TradingView that much at all. Yeah, I don't swing at the moment. I'm just waiting for the futures to work out and then I'll they have been in the courses, so I'm aware of them existing. But I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna use it until I'm gonna move on to options. Really? Should I kick out my screen so you can show yours? It's funny, right? When my heart rate goes down when I'm talking, just conversating. But